literally rubbing it. We're gonna try this again. Hi, I'm Autumn Janae and welcome to my channel. So for my first video, I decided to do a frontal wig install for beginners because baby, I am a beginner. You will see throughout this video that I am indeed a beginner. I'm still learning. And if you want to learn with me, subscribe to the channel, period. I'm gonna be dropping hair videos, makeup videos, vlogs, all that good stuff, and whatever else y'all want to see. So subscribe, like, turn on the bell for post notifications. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and let's get into the video, period. But before we do that, I just warning baby, in the next clip I look hit, okay? I look like me, but I look I look hit, okay? So just a fair warning, I look hit in the next clip. But let's get into it anyway. Okay, so jumping right in, I'm using the Erica J Stuck On You styling gel to lay my edges down in preparation for my ball cap. So I just put it all over my hairline, take a comb and push it back in, blow dry it. So once that's dry, I pull the ball cap over my forehead, cut the ear holes out, and spray the Got To Be Freeze spray all over the hairline. And I use the freeze spray in the blue can, the Insta Hold kind. And I always sew my ball caps down. I sew it from the first braid by that ear onto the back all the way to the other braid on the other side. Once it's sewn down, I proceed to blow dry it, and after it's dried, I just cut it off either using some scissors or an eyebrow razor. And after it's cut, if it's like pieces that's still not all the way down, I'll go in with some more freeze spray or lace glue and smooth those pieces down. So the wig I'm installing is a 13 by 4, I want to say 20-inch wig from Amazon. I'll leave a link to the wig in the description box. And as you can see, the lace on it is like pretty gray, so I use the even lace tint to help match it to my skin tone. This is just me putting the wig on, like sizing it. And I lay my wigs down in sections, so that's why I cut the slits in it. Now I'm just wiping my hairline off with some alcohol so that the glue will stick better. I'm using the Ghost Bond lace glue, not the extreme hold kind, but just the regular lace glue. I want to say I used about 3 layers of it. The first layer is kind of to help smooth my ball cap out even more, and then the other layers are just for, you know, putting the wig on. And I want you to pay attention to how I'm spreading the glue out very, very thinly. Like, I'm getting it thin because when you spread it out thin, it dries faster and the melt is better. And also pay attention to how I'm going left to right and not up and down, because sometimes when you go up and down with the glue, you bring it too far up and then you have to go back in and try and clean it up. And if you don't clean it up, it get mixed in with your products that you use and it just doesn't look good. So yeah, that's a tip I would give to beginners. And while one section is drying, I go in and just apply glue to the other section just to kind of speed up the process for myself. Like, you see how right now I'm going down with the end of my comb, and I went too far down, so I had to go in and clean it up. Now this is early, and I want you to pay attention to how much glue I'm using. Like the section of my ball cap and the section of my skin that I have covered with the glue. If you watch Erica J's video, she said you need to use like enough glue. Like she's talking about the width of how much glue you're using, and that's what I'm showing you right here. I'm still spreading it out very thinly. So now I'm just pulling the wig up and placing it where I want it to be. And this was a mistake I made, because later on you're going to see me struggling, like trying to get the sides down. I didn't pull the wig up far enough, because I don't like my wig to be sitting too far on my forehead, and sometimes I don't bring it up far enough because of that. So just make sure you're putting the wig up far enough to where the ball cap is covered all around your hairline, not just in the front or whatever section you're doing first. See, right here I was struggling because it's like I could get that side down, but the other side, it wasn't cooperating. Okay, I was getting very frustrated, so I just tied it down with my scarf and went on by my business. I probably left it on for like maybe 30 minutes. I didn't blow dry it. I just put the scarf on. After a while I came back and just cut the lace off, starting with cutting the ear tabs. And then I use scissors to cut off the excess lace and just get as close to your hairline as you want to. And once you cut the lace off, if it's like pieces that's still not glued down, just go in with a little glue underneath those pieces, spread it out, let it turn clear, and then press it in. So once everything's glued down, I just go in with some freeze spray. Like you see on that side, a piece of my ball cap is showing because I didn't bring the wig up far enough, but it's okay because my part is on the other side. Then I put my elastic band on to help with the melt. And off camera, I went in with my hot comb and flat ironed and hot combed it out, flat ironed it, and put my part in. So now I'm going in doing my baby hairs. I still struggle with baby hair. I cannot do baby hair with mousse. None of that. I can only do baby hair with edge control, and I'm using the Sweetie Edge Control by Kiss. It took me like 30 minutes to do my baby hair, and they still didn't come out how I wanted them to. Like, but we gonna get them right. One day I'm gonna be doing them Eric and Tay baby hairs, okay? And I can't do them with a toothbrush or like a brush. I can only do them with a comb. Like, don't know why, but I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it together. So this is the next day, and I just went in and styled it. I always use like some type of silk infusion, either bio silk or sheet, on my weaves and wigs. And this is me doing the flat iron curls. So you just want to take the flat iron and go downward and away from your face. And once you reach the end, you want to roll it back, and just roll it back, girl, and take it off, and boom, you got a curl. And I just did that all over. The first side already done. Yeah, you want to go down in like a ticket motion. But yeah, that's basically it for the install. So now I'm gonna just shut my mouth and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. for the third time. All right, guys, this is the final look. I just curled the hair using my Babyless flat iron or whatever. But yeah, this is an Amazon wig. I can't really remember off the top of my head how much I paid for it. It was like $1 something. So yeah, it's a nice Amazon wig. The only thing is the lace is a bit tricky. It's kind of dark when it first comes, but it's not thick lace, so it's easy to work with. Right now mine has like this white cast on it, but I promise in natural light it looks great. I didn't bleach the knots on it because it was just a lot going on, so I didn't bleach the knots. But I know I'm gonna go back and bleach the knots, and then I'm gonna record me bleaching those and doing like a reinstallation on how to install a wig after the lace is already cut, because I know some people struggle with that. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, welcome to my channel, period. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you subscribe and stay along for the ride, because baby, we're lit over here, and that's on period. And I'm out.